I am
is my
not questioning
opinion.
your opinion, Mr. Chair, but you are the
That's not
chairman
part
of this
here.
committee.
Anyway, let's proceed with the
You are not
testimony of the
interested in the prejudicial question that I am going to raise, Mr. Chair?
Go ahead, you raise your
Kaya nga sinasabi ko sa inyo eh.
You're
An
questioning my
investigator,
opinion.
we are investigating.
Away kagad tayo rito.
Mr. Chair, we are still
Hearing is suspended.
investigating.
Naagbangayan agad sina Blue Ribbon Committee Chairman Ping Lacson at Senator Rodante Marcoleta sa umpisa ng hearing sa maanumalyang flood control projects. Kinwestiyon ni Marcoleta ang pagbibigay ni Lacson ng opinyon sa mas karapat-dapat na maging state witness si dating DPWH Bulacan Assistant District Engineer Bryce Hernandez kaysa mag-asawang Curly at Sara Diskaya. Tanong ni Marcoleta, may karapatan daw ba ang chairman na gumawa ng ganitong desisyon? Tugon ni Lacson, personal opinion daw niya ito. Lalo silang nagkainitan ng suspendihin ng sesyon.
Mr. Chair, Mr. The point is, an investigator cannot be judged at the same time. Do not judge.
You're not judging. That's
No,
my
ang
opinion.
importante rito is the objectivity, sinasabi ko na sa'yo eh.
Are you trying to steal the show?
No. I am raising prejudicial questions.
Why are you
Then
so
you should not
protective of
judge.
the Discayas? Why are you so protective?
I am not protecting them. Mabuti sinabi mo yan, Mr.
Session is resumed.
Sa
Mr.
pag-resume
Alcantara,
ng session, inirehistro pa rin ni Marcoleta ang kanyang pagtuton.